going on, you guys? Last week I put in my new exhaust system and I had a leak on both sides of the muffler, right here and the other side. What the problem was, I had the clasp too far down and it wasn't covering a hole up here where this overlapped my exhaust. So I had to take this apart, loosen it a lot, and put some WD-40 on it. I hiked it back up a little more, and it took apart a big part of the leak. But what I'm going to do to go and seal the rest of it off and put some of this muffler weld on here. It says just to clean it with water, a rag, sponge, whatever you want to do. Put it liberally into cracks, the seams. So I got a big part of it out, the leak, because of course I put this back up here a little more. So I'm going to try to put that muffler weld in there and see what else it can do for me. So I'll put this on pause and go ahead and do that. Alright, you guys, so I finished that one. That's just the one side. I have to do the other one. It dries like cement. It's pretty good. I made sure I worked it in the seams right here, the connection seam. Did it all the way around. I even did the other side too. Bear's gonna try to escape wherever it can go. But it's not the most prettiest job, but if it works, I'm all for it. And I'll have to wait overnight, so tomorrow we'll have to see if the leak is completely gone. I'm hoping so, but like I said, after I moved the band clamp back up a little bit and covered the whole seam, it took a good part of the leak away. But we're going to see what it's like tomorrow. And questions or comments, let me know.